how are you, my friend? How are you doing? I hope you're doing really well today, as well as your loved ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with using this palette from Colourpop. It's the one called Smokin' Hot. And I can't wait to use this one. I have never touched it. It's completely brand new. So we'll go ahead and get started with the look. I already did put on sunscreen and prime my eyelids. So the first brush I am using is the one from Colourpop. It just looks like that. So the first shade, wait, I don't know how to go about this. Should I go from dark to light? I feel like I want to do that. So for my first brush, I am taking the BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes brush. This one is number 9. And how I want to go about this look is doing from dark to light. I kind of saw the Makeup by Mario. What's his name? Makeup by Mario. So for today's look, I want to go from dark to light. Just because I saw a tutorial that Mario did in Sephora, and I thought it came out so beautiful, and I kind of want to do what he did with his methods. So I'm going to take this shade first, called Fiery. And the way that he did it was he just built it very gradually, like in the crease. And then the lightest shades were like on top of the lid. So we'll see how it goes. And I'll go ahead and insert some music while I do the eyeshadow. Real quick, take this Colourpop New York Knicks palette, and I will be using this shade right here called Midtown, right there. And I'm just going to put it like on my bridge of the nose here on both sides, because that's what Mario did in his tutorial. So I've never seen a tutorial from someone in the makeup world because I've always seen them. Like, I always see that Natasha Denona has her own YouTube channel, and she does tutorials for her new palettes, but I have never really seen them. Maybe I've watched like a few seconds of it, but not a complete tutorial like as I did with Mario. And with Mario, I thought he seemed so sweet. Like, he was very well mannered, soft spoken, quite handsome. If you ask me, I think he's got the looks as well. But I have never tried anything from his brand, but from seeing his tutorial, like his makeup brushes, his palettes, they all seem something I would eventually want to purchase in the near future. Okay, so from the same palette, I'm going to take this one called Pen Station, and I'm just going to put that in my brow bone. So looking at the palette, the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. You get so many different finishes and different glitter tones as well. But I'm not going to use that today actually, because I want to use a pressed glitter from NYX, and it would be this one that's it's called Glitter Metallic. No, so this one says it's a glitter, but it's yeah. So it's a glitter metallic, and this is in the shade Dubois Bronze. Dubois Bronze. It's a beautiful shade. I think it goes very well with the orange tones, and from looking at it, it looks like it's got like a light bronzy look but with orange specks. So we're just going to put on glitter glue real quick. I think the hard part is opening it because I don't have nails. Oh my goodness, I don't have nails right now. I don't know how to open it. I really love that it has a stopper inside the glitter, so it's not just the whole thing completely open. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put it in this little metal plate. And we're just going to take a little bit because it's very fine. I don't know if you could see it. It's very fine and sparkly. And I could just put it in my finger. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. This has like light orange specks with silver, and it looks kind of holographic. the glitter because on my finger there's nothing left on my hands except maybe a little bit here because of the glue. But on the eyes, it's so pretty and it doesn't feel itchy, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. Speaking of fallout, I have nothing in my face. So for the last step for the eyes, I want to use this highlighter from Profusion. This is the one with the Peanuts collaboration and it's called Spooktacular Glow. So I'm just going to take my Zoeva 320 liner. Also, real quick with the palette, I feel like I want to line my under eyes with the first shade I took, which is called Fiery, right here. So I'll do that real quick. I'm going to take a blush from Beauty Concepts and this is called the Rosy Glow blush. So this is really pretty. I really love the glow. I don't have to use a highlighter when I use this one. I'll be taking the Sonia Kashuk blush brush. Okay, the last thing I want to put on is this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is a metallic color, and it's called Blood, which I don't like the name, but oh well, that's what it's called. But I really love the color. It's like a red with pink, purple sparkles. It looks really pretty. I'm just going to be really sparkly today. Sparkly and glowy. It's so pretty in the mirror. I could see the sparkles, but I don't feel it on my lips. It doesn't feel texturized. It just feels really smooth. It almost reminds me of the one e.l.f. came out with for the summer. It was like a lip oil, like in this color, but I didn't get that one. But I'm happy to have this. This is really pretty. Okay, my friends, so this would be my finished look. I would do my eyelashes, but I'm very lazy when it comes to curling them and putting mascara. I just rather skip it. Just because I already put the glitter and the glitter is so beautiful. I just can't stop looking at it in the mirror. I can't wait to see what my loved ones think because I think this is more like a special occasion kind of makeup look. But for me, I think there's nothing wrong with doing it on a regular day when there's nothing going on. um, but that would be it, my friend. I hope you enjoyed watching. May God bless always. Be safe, be well, and I hope you have a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And also, I am thinking of everyone in Florida, everyone that has impacted with hurricanes recently. I have them in my prayers to those who have lost their homes, and it's pretty heavy right now with the world dealing with so much natural disasters, and I am just thinking of them in my prayers, and I hope that you pray for them too if you want to, or if you have faith. If you don't have faith, just send a lot of positive thoughts to those going through such a difficult moment. And right now I'm just praying for those in Florida. So I hope everything and everyone will be okay, because today is October 9th, and from what I looked at the hurricane, it's supposed to happen like by tonight and then tomorrow morning. So I just pray for the best for them. So I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.